I'm out. Can I get a mag? What the hell is this, a doorstop? Come on, give me a mag. 30-round waffle. What is this, Chuck E. Cheese? A real mag. 40-round waffle? Come on, guys, I can do 100 push-ups in 30 seconds. This is a fucking mag. Premature.
Next viral video coming right up.
Alright, just wanted to do a quick slow-mo recoil video showing the Springco RMS recoil management system in action on a stock. This is a stock slide. It has milled for an RMR, but there's a plate on it. A stock 19X slide.
I cocked that bitch.
Oh, this bitch
It's
jammed.
jammed?
That's a bad thing.
Yeah, it's bad.
So here's a new evolution of the Steadicam rig. I have the CSW kit from Franklin Armory. Basically you take your AR and this replaces your stock and your pistol grip and turns into a pair of spade grips. Alright, so reset, pull the trigger, let go, pull the trigger. So it's still semi-automatic, but now this is a California compliant rig. Typically they mount it onto a tripod, and I figure, well, I have a mobile tripod, I got the Steadicam, I'm going to try and make a mobile shooting platform with my Steadicam rig.
Yep.
Tembak, pasang magazine. Pasang magazine. Pasang rantai. Isi senjata. Penembak siap. Siap. Terbidik. Tembak. Mantap, mantap.
All this that you just did, all this that you just did, all this that you just did for what?
Come on over the car. Come on out. I'm gonna ask you guys. Come on out. You're speaking drama, but you're...
No, y'all are making drama. I don't need to leave my phone nowhere.
Put your hands behind your head. We're gonna get a ambulance now.
Why you gotta put me behind?
I'm gonna tease you, man. I'm not gonna be arguing.
Tase
Put
me.
your hands behind your head. You wanna get tased enough on the floor? So calm down and go with the program, alright? I'm trying to be cool with you guys, but you guys making a scene, alright?
Ain't nobody making no scene.
Okay, then calm down,
I've
man.
been sitting in the...
You know, man.
Don't wait 2 years like the last LP.
Everybody stop moving. Ready?
What happened? What are you doing?
Alright, shooter, let me know when you're ready. Stand by! Shooter alone, trying to make clear.
Is I like to get this buttstock like to the inside versus the outside of my shoulder strap. If I'm out here, the gun can start to slip.
Okay.
So I set it and see how I get this to the inside of that strap. All right. So now I'm here. Okay. My elbow stays in. I hinge out, step in and up. Hinge out, step in and up. Hinge out. There you are. Okay. I clear this doorway with my off shooting eye, right? Using my peripheral vision so I don't shoot it. come up, hinge out with a twist, come up, hinge out, come up, hinge out, come up, hinge out.
Mamas out here doing everything they can for y'all. Man, switch that shit up. And on everything, every motherfucker who know me, I'm 100 in this shit. Used to rob all that shit. My mama been to the hospital 2 times because the motherfucker damn near died. Been to the penitentiary 6 times. And I'm official than a motherfucker when it's come to this Blackstone shit. Check my file. And all that shit don't mean nothing. All that shit don't mean nothing, Joe. I'm back at 48 years old in college trying to get my degree. Some shit I should have done when I was y'all age. Gee, on everything, Joe, y'all need to knock this goofy shit off, man. Y'all too precious, too smart, too motherfucking talented. But that shit like a light that's turned off. It don't mean shit if you don't turn it on.
Now you get down to there when the camera's not on, damn it. All 4-3.
3, 2, 1.